Well, hello to all my wonderful YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today? I'm going to do a unboxing for you today. Basically, I went down to my local Ollie store and basically picked up a brand new keyboard and mouse, and basically that is what's in this bag. We're going to be taking a look at it, we're going to be testing it on the computer and basically see if it works. Well, let's go ahead and just take it out of the bag here and basically show you what it is. Pretty nice keyboard and mouse, basically. But no, and you don't need a high expensive keyboards. If you're curious on how much this keyboard cost, there's a price tag for everybody. But yes, it is compatible with Macs and Windows. But let's get to the unboxing of this wonderful unit right here. Before we get into the unboxing of the brand new keyboard and mouse, and let's talk about the old wireless keyboard and mouse right here. But basically, here is the mouse, basically. A very nice mouse. And basically, these devices here eat batteries like no tomorrow. And that's why I wanted to get a brand new one. But not along with the keyboard and mouse. But the only issue I see on this keyboard and mouse, basically, is some of the print is starting to wear out. Well, let's go and put this off to the side. And basically crack this guy open. Going to need a trusty old knife, should I say. Alrighty then. There's what it looks like. Very nice. Awesome. I like how everything is kind of laid out in the package itself. Of course, here is the keyboard, here is the mouse, of course, here is the receiver, and two AAA batteries. But basically, let's go ahead and take the mouse out of the package, should I say. And let's take a look at the mouse itself. Not bad. That's a good looking mouse right there, basically. And this is basically the receiver end, basically. You can kind of see this USB. There. And let's go ahead and take out the keyboard. And of course, those are your instructions. Of course, you might need to read those if you want. You don't need to. And of course, there are some generic brand AAA batteries. You can use better branded batteries if you choose. And here's the onset. Right. Very nice. Stick the box, put it off to the side. And basically, this is what my new keyboard and mouse looks like. And of course, here's my old one. And of course, here's the old mouse. Nice. Here is my old HP laptop computer. You can kind of see it's on Linux Mint 18.3 OS on this computer, and used to on Windows 7, but not anymore. We are testing out the brand new keyboard. You curious? And also the mouse, and also the receiver, just to see if these devices actually work or not before I hook it up and test it on my main Windows machine. But let's take a look at the mouse. Here's your scrolling wheel up and down, your left and right click buttons. Of course, here's a non button. Basically, that's pretty cool. And here's your up and down keys as well. Those are kind of cool. And basically, on and off. And of course, there's a laser, battery compartment, and somewhere you can store your USB device. Not a whole lot on the actual mouse side of things. And basically, the keyboard is basically your standard size keyboard. But let's go to Google Chrome on here, and I'm just going to type my name in here. Now we know the keyboard's working. It's actually working pretty nice. Search up my channel, and the scrolling wheel works pretty good too. I'm gonna close that. And the notepad, and basically test the key function. And just typing, just random things, just to see if it works or not. And it does. Looks pretty good, should I say. And there you go. Good old brand new keyboard and mouse. Working just fine. What are you gonna say, Chris? Why did you buy a non-wireless keyboard and mouse? Basically, I wanted something a little new and up to date for the actual brand new desktop computer I built over here. You can kind of see I do have a non-package, but we'll get into that a little later. But let's go ahead and explain about the brand new keyboard. Okay, it's very nice. It's a very tactile keys as well, and it has all sorts of different function keys and stuff on it. Now I know some of you are gonna say, Chris, you could have got a more expensive keyboard, but let me explain. You don't need the most expensive keyboard and mouse, basically. And here is basically the mouse itself. If you're curious what this little section was, this was basically to store the USB to a receiver, basically, and you plug this into your USB port, basically. And of course, here is my old keyboard and mouse as well, and it has the exact same function, basically. But I'm just keeping the old keyboard and mouse is a backup, basically, and that's awesome. But alright, if you guys and girls are so brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Alright, catch you later.